Hello everyone. Now let us look into a problem based on tariff. Okay. The question is like this here. An industrial consumer having a maximum demand of 100 kilowatt maintain a load factor of 60%. The tariff rate are rupees 750 kilowatt ampere of maximum demand per annum plus 15 paisa per kilowatt hour of energy consumed. Okay, if the average power factor of 0.8 lag, calculate the total energy consumed per annum and the annual bill. This is the question. Okay, here from the given data we have to calculate what is the total energy consumed per annum and what is the annual bill. What is the annual bill that we have to calculate now. Okay, from the question the data is the given data is like this. The maximum demand is 100 kilowatt and the load factor given is 60%. This we can rewrite as 0.6. Okay, this we can rewrite as 0.6. Okay, we have the formula that load factor is given as average load divided by maximum demand. Okay, average load divided by maximum demand. Okay, here now we have to determine what is the average load of the consumer. So if we rewrite this equation, average load will be equal to load factor into maximum demand. Okay, from the given question we know the values of load factor and maximum demand. Okay, load factor is 0.6 and maximum demand is 100 kilowatt. Okay, if you substitute and solve you will get 60 kilowatt. That will be the average load of the consumer. Okay, once we know the average load of the consumer, okay, then we can easily calculate what is the energy consumed per annum by the consumer. What is the energy consumed? Okay, the energy consumed by the consumer per annum is given by the formula is equal to average load in kilowatt into number of hours in a year. Okay, now we know that what is the average load. Average load we calculate it as 60 kilowatt. Okay, number of hours in a year, that is nothing but 365 into 24, that is nothing but 8760. If we solve this one we will get the energy consumed per annum as 5,25,600 kilowatt hour. Okay, this is the energy consumed per annum by a consumer. Okay, once we obtain this one, okay, next go for calculating the bill. What is the annual bill? Okay, here we'll first, in case of bill, we'll get two types of charges. Okay, one is energy charge, okay, and another one is the demand charge. Okay, in order to find out the total yearly bill, first we have to find out what is the energy charge, okay, for the energy consumed, okay, as well as the demand charge. Okay, then only we can easily find out the yearly bill. Okay, from the given data energy charge is 15 paise per kilowatt hour. This 15 paise keep it in terms of rupees, so that if we convert this 15 paise it will become 0.15 rupees. Okay, then total number of units consumed per annum is given as 5,25,600 kilowatt. That is already we calculated this one. Okay, now once we know what is the energy consumed, what is the energy charge, then we can determine the total energy charge, that is energy charge per annum, that is energy consumed into the energy charge, that is 15 paise or 0.15 rupees. Then we get the answer as rupees 78,840. This is the energy charge per annum for a consumer. Okay, once you obtain this one, then go for determining the demand charge. Okay, in order to determine the demand charge, okay, we know the value, the maximum demand tariff. The maximum demand tariff is given as 750 rupees 750 per kilovolt ampere. Okay, there is a maximum demand tariff and the given maximum demand is 100 kilowatt and the power factor given is 0.8. Power factor given is 0.8. Okay, from the we have the formula that power factor, that is cos phi, is equal to kilowatt divided by kilovolt ampere. Okay, this if we rearrange this one, kilovolt ampere, okay, is equal to kilowatt divided by cos phi. We know the maximum demand, that is kilowatt, nothing but 100, and the power factor nothing but cos phi, we know that is nothing but 0.8. Okay. Once we substitute the values of maximum demand and the power factor, we will get the maximum kVA demand, the maximum kilovolt ampere demand, that is 125. Okay. Once we obtain this one, okay, once we obtain the maximum kVA demand, okay, then the demand charges per annum is calculated as the maximum kVA demand into the tariff, demand tariff, that is rupees 750. Okay. If you solve this one, we will get the answer as rupees 93,750. Okay. This is the demand charges per annum. Okay. Now we got the energy charge for a consumer per annum and demand charges per annum. Okay. If you add both the charges, okay, that will be your total yearly bill, that is rupees 93,750 plus rupees 78,840 will give the answer as total yearly bill as rupees 1,72,590. Okay. This is the total yearly bill.